temperatures here in Phoenix have finally cooled down, and now is the time to get outside and enjoy a beautiful day like today. That's why we're here today at Papago Park, and I'm standing here with Patrick and AJ. They are the owners of Picnic Point AZ. Thank you both so much for having us out today.
Thank you.
So I'm so excited because, like I said, it's finally cool enough to enjoy a gorgeous day like today. So before we get into everything about you guys and about Picnic Point, tell me a little bit about why you wanted to go into business together, because you're a husband and wife team. So tell me about kind of how you guys work together.
Yeah, so I'm mainly doing like all the behind the scenes stuff. I do like the marketing and then posting online, setting up the packages, and then he's the muscle. So he'll set up everything. Of course, I'll tag along if it's like a really large picnic, but most of the time it's him setting up and then I'm behind the scenes.
You're the brains and he's the brawn.
Yeah.
Or you're both the brains, but he's mainly the brawn. I love it. I love it. That's great. Really, really fun. And then I checked out your website a little bit. You guys have so much great stuff going on. So guests can either customize a whole package themselves, or you have pre-made packages already ready to go and they can just pick one of those.
Yeah. So we pretty much let the customer tell us what they want. Sometimes they'll send us a photo and then we'll just try and copy it the best we can. We want to make sure that, you know, each experience is tailored to the couple, or even just like the event in general. That way it feels really special.
Oh, that's so perfect. Because yeah, if you're coming out to do something like a proposal or a special date night, you want it to be tailored completely to you. And even though you have those packages that people can just choose for that convenience, having something that's totally tailored to you, it's gonna make that day so special and so amazing. But what are your guys' kind of like favorite picnics to set up and do?
So, personally, I do love doing all the picnics, but if I did have to pick one favorite picnic, it would be the proposal package or the proposal picnics. You know, just being a part of a chapter of one's love story, you know, it's such an honor, and it just brings, well, me just happiness pretty much, just to be a part of it.
Oh my gosh, just hearing you say that almost makes me like get a little emotional because what a cool experience that you guys get to have, to see that pivotal moment in someone's life and to be there to provide something so beautiful for them to experience that. So, I mean, I know we have kind of a really gorgeous setup going tonight, but for something like your package, your classic package, what would that cost for someone out there who's like, oh, I have to have this?
So our classic package, or at least classic date night package, what we have is around $200. And that comes with a charcuterie board, you know, your sparkling water or sparkling cider as well, and then just a simple
classic
setup. Classic setup,
and that is so incredibly affordable. I mean, that's better than going out to a fancy steak dinner, because this is something special and unique that you're gonna remember forever and get to eat that delicious charcuterie. Ah, sounds amazing. What about where in the valley you guys set these up? I mean, I know we're here today in Papago Park, but where else do you guys work?
So basically we work around public parks, you know, Airbnbs, and then backyards as well. But pretty much anywhere we're allowed to set up, we're down to set up.
I love it. Yes, so if you have a gorgeous backyard, you're like, hey, come out and set up this amazing date night for us in our own backyard. You guys can do it. Or come out here to Papago Park and enjoy this absolutely gorgeous atmosphere, because this is so beautiful. I love it. So, AJ, for those out there who are dying to book with Picnic Point and they are ready to either get down on one knee or just enjoy this beautiful fall weather we're having, tell everybody where they can find you and where they can book with you guys.
Yeah, so you guys can find us on our website, picnicpointaz.com. You can book with us directly on the site, or to follow along all the fun things that we do, you can find us on Instagram. It's picnicpointaz.
Yes, get some of those behind the scenes shots, check out where you guys are going. And honestly, these picnics are so Instagram worthy. You want to just follow them just to see how beautiful everything is that they set up. Well, you guys, thank you so much for having us out today. I'm going to go drool over this picnic a little bit more. It looks so gorgeous.
Thanks
you
so much,
guys.
Lexi.